He had a date, Olive, and he asked me to take you to the fair.
Well, let's go, Bluto. I'm just dying to have my fortune told.
Yeah, sure, Olive.
Oh, there's one of those fortune tellers now. Let's go in, Bluto. Oh, this is exciting.
Abracadabra, caducha. Crystal ball, show me this lady's future.
Look, Bluto, you can really see it.
What you need is a guide, Olive, and I'm the guy to guide you.
We don't need no guide.
I feel safer with a professional guide.
You heard her. She wants a guide.
One guide coming up.
How about a kiss, Olive?
Bluto, how could you?
Come on, Olive. Let's get out of here.
Ah,